Good evening, sleepyheads. I hope you're all tucked in and cozy. Today, we're going to be doing some puzzles. I do enjoy jigsaw puzzles. I found this app. It looks crazy. There are a whole bunch of puzzles here. Before we get started and do some puzzles together, make sure you have some water by your bedside. So when you wake up, you can immediately get hydrated and ready for the day. Um, Make sure you got the blankets, some water, you're cozied up, and let's do some jigsaw puzzles. So, this is my first time opening this app. This is what I was greeted with. Um, there seems to be daily puzzles over here. Ah, okay, there's a puzzle for. Oh, this one's of a panda. That's pretty cute. Get puzzles. You can buy. Oh, it's a free one. All right, I'm not going to argue with that. Are these AI? No, they can't be. I hate the AI apocalypse because it just makes you question everything now. Um, I'm just gonna. I don't want to do these ones anyway. Ooh, here's another free pack over here. Weekly free mix summer. Ooh, these ones are pretty cool. Yeah, I'm sold. Let's get them. I'll just let them download. There's even more free ones. There's quite a few free. Ooh, this was kind of cool. Yeah, sold. Let's get it. I mean, it's free. How bad can it be? It's free. Okay, so let's tackle the daily puzzle. Oh, you can decide. Uh, Goodness gracious. Let's start off with a 56 piece. You can go all the way up to like, yeah, 440 is the biggest one. Or you can select your background. I'm a sucker for blue. I like blue. Shape. Oh, this is hard. Let's do these with shuriken looking ones. Rotation. Oh, the pieces are rotated? No. Let's. Our first puzzle. Let's take it easy. Oh, these are funny looking puzzle pieces. Okay, so we've got. Is gob. Let's go up there. Here we go. Okay. We are already beginning. Oh, this is so strange. We have a side piece there. And another side piece. There we go. We've got the corner down here. Will the corners just snap? Oh, the sides do snap into position. That's makes things easier. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. I'll try to avoid that as and where I can. Are you a thing? No. You must connect there. There we go. Oh, nice. It merges both pieces at once. That's kind of cool. Bang. There we go. Look at this cute fella. Okay. You can't be anything yet. Yura said, I really like these puzzle pieces. I have not come across, that's a corner, I've not come across such a design before. I think it looks really cool. Ooh, where are you going to be going now? Oh, you're going to be quite low. There's a wooden piece over there. Another corner, nice. I have somehow missed one of the corners. Okay, let's get more pad piece. Ah, there we go, nice. And that goes there. Awesome sauce. Where do you go? Oh, there. I was not expecting that. You have to go there. Are you up here? No, you can't be, no. Ah, you might go here. Yeah. Nice. Okay, I've gone through this a few times and I keep missing the top left corner piece somehow. Let's just route that out and find that. There we go. Nice, that is your left side done. That's his cute little head done. We now just need to... No, you can't be there. Ah, you have to be up there, right? Sweetness, sweetness. You're there. I'm gonna focus on the right side as much as I can. Ah, you're gonna have to be there, right? No, you're down here? You are. Weird. Nice. Okay, we are on a bit of a roll now. I say as I then, or maybe you connect up there. Yeah. And you there. Nice. Oh, maybe you do fit there. You do. Delightful. That is both sides done. Now we just need to keep rocking and rolling here. You up there? Yep. Maybe you're like down here. No, no. There we go. And bosh. We just now need, there we go. Okay. All sides done now. We just gotta fill this bad boy in. This should be pretty easy now, right? Right. Do you not go there? Okay. Oh, you have a bit of a fluff there. That's you. Let's get the obvious panda ones out of the way first. Okay. So this thing in the middle is just wet panda fur and bark. So it's actually going to be a trickier one to get through. Let's just get these ones out of the way here. Okay, so yeah, these ones are a bit more difficult. Oh, soul reading this puzzle right now. There we go. Where'd you fit? Nice. And there we go. Lovely. That was a cool one. We got 30 coins, whatever those are. Here we go. This took 5 minutes. Get out of here. 5 minutes, not bad. More puzzles, nice. So, oh wait, July. Oh, so can you go back and just do any of the previous days? You can. Usually, with these sort of things, you have to pay to unlock previous days. Nice. So, ooh, there's a news tab up here. Gift box. Ooh, is that free? It is free. 400 coins. Not bad. Achievements. Hello. 56. Oh, okay. Oh, I kind of want to do these achievements now. Oh, we got Flashback Adept. Complete a 56-piece puzzle without peeking. You can do that. Completion Challenger. Download 2 packs from the store. Okay. I kind of want to complete all of these achievements now. Completed 56 in less than 4 minutes. We're a bit slow there. Okay, I kind of want to do all these now. Can I go back? Oh, statistics. Ah, that's kind of boring. Well, it's not really. Oh, you can create puzzles. That's kind of cool. So can I go back and see the ones that I've done? Like a gallery? I don't think so. Hobbies. Oh, there's so many free packs. Okay, let's stop wasting time. Ooh, birds. Ooh, marine puzzles. Mystery Land. Hello. Whoa. Unicorn. That's cool. Let's, for the sake of these achievements that I really want to do, let's do the 12th piece. Okay. Let's see. Whoa, these pieces are huge. Let's see how quickly I can get this one done. Oh, that was a big waste of time. Big waste of time. Connect. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. That's a beautiful picture. Now, did I do that in 20 seconds? I don't think I did. Oh, exactly 20 seconds? Will that count? 12 piece, nice. I think it's going to be less than 20 seconds. Yeah, less than 20 seconds. Okay, there we go. Alright, we will simply have to try that one again. Let's go marine puzzles. Oh, let's do this one. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was a big waste of time. I think I may have clutched that though. We may have this now, gang. 16 seconds. You're seeing history here, folks. You are seeing history here. There you go, speed challenger. Nice. Okay, let's take on another puzzle. Let's take on a cool one. Let's do birds. I really like birds. Birds are very cool. Let's do this one. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Let's do a classic shape this time. And let's do rotation. Here we go. Let's challenge ourselves here. Okay. Ah, so you tap them to rotate them. Oh, this is going to be hard. So we have the birdie's face there. Scoping out for obvious ones, all those corners. Ah. Oh, I missed two corners. Okay, cool. I'm good at that, apparently. I've missed the last corner again. I need these corners in. Aha. There we go, nice. I have a weird feeling you're going to be on the, yeah, right side here. Okay. You go in there? You do. Okay, we're making progress here. Here you are. The colours at play here are beautiful. I really like the pink and blue and green dream vibe. Nice. Nice. It's these flowers that are really going to get me. I mean, I can just keep trying them along the edges, see what works. Although I do feel like that's cheating in a way. Oh, that's quite high up. Hmm. Ah. Where do you go? Oh, maybe at the throat. Nice. Very multicolored bird. You not there? Oh, there we go. The ads in this game are not overly pervasive, which is good. They could have been much worse. Maybe you're up here. Yeah. Okay, we're halfway through this puzzle, it seems. I wonder how well we're doing for time. Because I do want to get those achievements now. I'm committed to the cause. Oh, you're not down there. You're up here. Things are really clicking into place now. Okay, now it's time for the hard bit. There we go. Ah, there. Nice. And this one goes up here. And oh, maybe you're upside down. You were upside down. Nice. You have to be around here, right? No? Yeah. Then you surely are here. There, and finally, there. What a beautiful puzzle. Here's our reward. Nice. Look at that little guy. 7 minutes. Now, was that quick enough? Whoops. No, oh, that's in 4 minutes. Damn. Jigsaw adept completed 56-piece puzzle with rotation on. Nice. Okay, well, that will do it for today. I really enjoyed doing these puzzles. Oh, they do. They have a little tick once you've done them. Okay, okay. I really enjoyed doing these puzzles. I hope you are fast asleep by now. If you are not, then watch another video or just one again. Maybe take on some jigsaw puzzles of your own. Reflect on the day, deep breaths, have some water, and have very, very sweet dreams. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.